I'm a full-time carer of a severely disabled person. I've met some smashing new friends who are willing to help me every step of the way. In fact, telling me which way to go and which not way to go and so forth and that. But I really enjoy it because this now is me time. It's my time only.
I would never ever have joined a running club. This appealed to me because it was sort of you could go at your own pace, you could walk it. And as the weeks have been gone by, they've built up my confidence and I've just felt at ease to be able to go into running.
Couldn't run 60 seconds in January, and I've signed up to the 10k on Sunday.
I was coming back from injury. I thought I'd come along and help out. It's nice seeing everybody coming along, improving from not being in a running, from a running background to doing 5k.
The run leaders have been fantastic. They're really encouraging. They've had excellent tips, and it is nice to run in the park where in the winter months it was shut, so we were the only ones in the park.